New Perplexity Computer AI agent is insane. You are wasting hours every single week switching between tools. One app for research, another for writing, another for code, another for images. You copy and paste, you lose context, you start over, and by the time you finally finish, you could have done 3 more projects. That stops today because Perplexity just launched something that changes how all of this works. Hey, I am Ava. I help people learn how to actually use AI tools in their work. Not just the theory, the real stuff that saves you time and makes your output better. And what Perplexity just launched is one of the most significant things I have covered on this channel. It is called Perplexity Computer. I am going to walk you through exactly what it is, how it works, and what you need to know before you start using it. Stay with me, because halfway through, I am going to show you something about how it handles real projects that genuinely surprised me. So what is Perplexity Computer? Perplexity launched Computer at the end of February 2026. Their CEO, Aravind Srinivas, described it as a system that unifies every current capability of AI into a single interface. Right now, most of us use AI in a fragmented way. We open one tool for research, another for images, another for writing, and we try to stitch it all together ourselves. Computer flips that completely. Instead of you managing all those different tools, Computer manages them for you. It coordinates more than 19 different AI models, automatically picks the right one for each part of your task, and runs the whole thing from start to finish. Think of it as having a project manager with a full team of specialists. You tell them what you want. They figure out who does what. You get the finished result. When you give Computer a task, it breaks that task into a structured plan, then assigns each piece to the model best suited for it. The core reasoning engine runs on Claude Opus 4.6 for complex logic. Gemini handles deep research. Grok takes care of lighter, faster tasks. Veo 3.1 handles video. Nano Banana handles image generation. And GPT 5.2 is used for long context recall and extensive web search. And here is why this design actually makes sense. Perplexity has data showing that in January 2025, more than 90% of enterprise tasks on their platform were spread across just 2 models. By December 2025, no single model commanded more than 25% of usage. Why? Because models are specializing, not converging. A new frontier model emerged on average every 17.5 days in 2025, each one with its own distinct strengths. So forcing everything through one AI is not the smart move anymore. Routing each task to the right model automatically is. Now, here is where I want to pause. When I first started navigating AI tools at this level, I was overwhelmed. So many products launching every week, and it is hard to know what is actually worth your time. That is when I found a community called AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 members all focused on learning AI together and sharing what actually works. Real use cases, real workflows, real experiences from people doing the work. It taught me which workflows save time versus which ones waste it. If you are serious about using AI to improve your work and skills, check it out. Link in the description. Back to Computer. Let me walk you through what this looks like in practice. You can tell it to plan and execute a local digital marketing campaign for your restaurant, or build an Android app that helps you do a specific kind of research, or build an app that surfaces live snow conditions across ski resorts. You describe the end result. Computer breaks it down, runs research, pulls in data, writes and tests code, generates content, and delivers a finished output, all from one prompt. And it does not hand things back to you after a few minutes. Perplexity says Computer is capable of running for hours or even months. This is persistent, long-running work, not just a quick answer. Now I know what you might be thinking. That sounds powerful, but also a little scary. What if it does something wrong? Perplexity has been deliberate about this. Computer runs entirely in the cloud in a sandboxed environment, so mistakes stay contained. Before it takes any sensitive action, like publishing a website, pushing code, or sending an email, it pauses and asks for your review. It also only requests the specific permission it needs for each step, rather than broad access to everything. You stay in control of the decisions that matter. Perplexity says they have run thousands of internal tasks already using computer and have been consistently impressed with the quality. And their browser agent usage is reportedly 3 to 5 times higher than ChatGPT's published agent numbers, despite Perplexity having a much smaller user base overall. One more thing worth knowing is the memory piece. Perplexity already has persistent memory built into their platform. Your AI remembers your preferences and past context, so you do not have to re-explain everything from scratch each time. And unlike some platforms where your history is locked to one model, Perplexity lets your context travel with you across any model. You can switch mid-project and not lose what you have built up. So who is Computer actually for right now? It is available to Perplexity Max subscribers at $200 per month. Pro and Enterprise Access is confirmed as coming soon. This is not a beginner product. It is for people managing complex workflows who want to delegate entire projects rather than just getting help with individual tasks. One honest note before I wrap up. Perplexity actually canceled a live demo at their press briefing because they found issues hours before the event. That kind of transparency is refreshing, and it also tells you this is a product still being refined. If you get access, treat it as powerful but still developing. The human review step is not just a safety feature, it is genuinely useful right now. The bottom line is this. We are moving from using AI to answer one question at a time toward having AI systems manage entire workflows on our behalf. Perplexity Computer is one of the clearest examples of that shift I have seen. And understanding how to structure your tasks for these systems, how to stay in control while letting them do the heavy lifting, that is the skill set that is going to matter more and more. If you are looking to dive deeper into AI tools and actually implement them in your work, I recommend AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 people learning how to use AI effectively. Everyone shares real experiences. What is working? What is not? Which tools are worth your time? Which ones to skip? No hype. Just solid practical guidance from people doing the work. It has helped me stay on top of updates and figure out how to actually apply them. Link in the description if you want to check it out. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and over 100 AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links are in the comments and description. You will get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 46,000 members who are crushing it with AI. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. It helps this channel reach more people who want real, practical AI education. I will see you in the next one.